Hi guys, in this video I'll show you the basic commands used in AutoCAD. There are many commands in AutoCAD. It depends from which field you are to use the command. I am basically from mechanical, so I have collected the commands. There are almost 75 to 80 commands which I will have to use. But the basic commands that everyone uses are here. Right now I have noted down 24 commands and I have divided them into 3 days. So I'll show you the day one commands. If you want, you can note it down. Drawing units. It basically shows the units. It's understood that units must be in inches, etc. Whatever you're drawing, they are drawing limits. I'll show you these things in AutoCAD. Uh, okay, okay. I'll use a new folder. So this will be a new AutoCAD folder before drawing, and this is your origin. Okay, first thing you have to do when you open the drawing is just type UCS icon and say no origin. Your origin will be fixed over here. If you turn it off, your origin will move with your drawing, and if you drop below the origin, that cannot be coordinated with the other drawings you are going to mix up in this drawing. So I have fixed my origin. These grid blocks are really distracting me, so I want them to be turned off. So the shortcut key is F7. I used the F7 button to turn them off. If you're using a laptop, then you will have to use a Fn button beside the control button and then use your function keys. So after doing these two things, we'll have to set the units. Just type UN as the shortcut was given. I have checked it for decimals. I want my units to be in 0.00. Usually the drawings are in There are many units you can use depending upon your drawing. I am using Okay. Second thing, I have to set the sheet limits. So I'll use the command limits. Let's ask for the left corner, so I'll have to say 0 because I'm drawing in the first quadrant of the origin. So it's 0, and the upper right corner I'm telling it to be 25,000 comma 25,000. So my work will be done here. Okay, so the next thing you have in our commands is a line. How do you draw a line in AutoCAD? So here's our drawing. Just type L. You really don't need to by heart the shortcut keys. Whatever you want to do, if you know what command you're going to apply, just type L. Suppose for line, just type L. I typed L and it shows here that line command. If I don't remember the shortcut, if I just type line, I get all the line type, weight, whatever related to line. So if you draw a line, just click drag wherever you want the line to be. I want a 5,000 line. Okay, so this is my 5,000 uh, line I have drawn here. Okay, the line command again. You can see that this line is moving in every direction. If I want my line to be in a fixed direction like 0, 45, 0, 90, 180, 360, I need to turn off the ortho mode. That is done using shortcut key F8. I have turned the ortho mode off. You can see that line is coming here to the left, down, up. It's not going in any other directions. So I can use my line anywhere, wherever I want. Okay. So you can see that line command is not yet and then I will have to press escape key. As soon as I press escape, the command will go off. Escape. Alright, so that was my drawing. If I want to erase the line, I have a shortcut key of E. I just type E and enter. Select it and enter. It's erased. Okay. Yeah, and here in AutoCAD, we can draw a rectangle using a shortcut key REC space. Here in AutoCAD, enter and space are for the same purpose. If you want the command to be entered, then just use a space bar. It is for our convenience that AutoCAD has given this. Just click it. If I want my rectangle in a particular dimension, just you can see here it's ask area. If I want it to be in a particular area or dimension or any rotation, I am drawing it in a dimension. Just type D, enter. What's the dimension of the rectangle? I want it to be 5,000 in length, 3,000 in breadth. Sorry, 3,000. So here's the rectangle. Click it. If you want to confirm this, yeah, we can check the distance using a DI command. DI means distance. I will click over here, and here you can see it's 3,000. Okay, the next thing we can use here is circle. If I want to draw a circle, I can just type C and enter. Circle. What's the diameter? He is asking. If it's already set on radius. If I want a circle to be made by a diameter that is double the radius. So I want a circle of diameter 5,000. Okay, here we go. So these were the basic commands of day one. So alright, I'll show you the day two commands in my next video. Subscribe and like if you think it's helpful, and do let me know your suggestions or advices in the comments below. Thank you.